Here we go. Add to stream. This is what y'all talking about, right? Is this it? A big problem. I like it, but that's some cash money. So this is what you're talking about. It's $2,500 for this thing. Now, think about it. That trunk for a woofer still have room. Looks like a mini spider. Well, here's my thing about that. If you get something like that and you start filling up the front end, yeah, I see it, CEO. We're on right now. We have it. CEO is on IG. We have it up right now live on YouTube. So here's my thing about that. It looks nice, but that's a lot of weight to put on the front of the bike, right? And really, what are you putting on that? Like, you're going to put all that weight, and what is it really for besides getting space? I mean, the whole point of the Ryker was that look, and now you're adding that like a little car. I mean, it's different. Don't get me wrong, but like, what is it for? Like, what is the gain from it? You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm not going to knock the design, but I'm looking at it, and it's not even the matte. It's not even the same black. It's like they use the smooth and shiny black like they did for the panels, and most of the bike is matte black, so it doesn't really match much, right? And it's gas shocked. It looks like gas shocks to lift it up. That's the trunk. The lights look nice. I actually wanted to have these guys in the podcast so they could talk about it, but they haven't reached out. So I don't know. I'm looking at it now. I'm checking it out, and I don't know. I mean, I'm not saying I dislike it, but I don't know. It's just, to me, it's not. I don't know. What do you think? Should you just get a Spider? I mean, if you buy a Ryker and you're coming out the deal 11 grand brand new, and then you drop 2,500 on this, a Spider's what? Base model's 15? I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's an interesting look. Don't get me wrong, but I don't know. I just don't know what you would need it for. As they say, it's aerodynamic. Let's see what Flipping Out says about it. It's aerodynamics, only bolted on the suspension, no drilling. Okay. But that weight on the front end, it doesn't look like. Can you keep your windshield? Oh, CEO is on IG. That's my man CEO. He's a Ryker owner. He also has a store called Amateur Athlete out in PA, Pennsylvania. Cool dude. So he says he likes the Panther front end. So I know which one he's talking about. No Spider. I don't know if it looks like a Spider though. It's kind of a totally different look. I'm checking it out now. I don't know. I mean, what do you guys think? I mean, I need more. Let me see. Let me go back. Bring it back. Let me bring it back. Okay. Let's bring it back so I could bring up a picture of it. Let's see if I can bring up just a regular picture of it. All right. Let me see. Let me bring up a picture so we can see it all in one. Let's see. Okay, how about that one? Okay. Sorry, guys. Just trying to bring it up to you. Sorry, just trying to get a good picture of it. Okay. So this is what we're looking at here. Okay. Girl on 3 wheels. Thank you, girl. I don't like that. Okay. Wilfredo, don't like it. And flipping out, my thing is everybody's going to get that one pair of aftermarket rims they're offering. Everybody won't be spreading bread for this. And Lewis says no bueno. Okay. Lewis, don't forget to email me. All right. That also. But Lewis says no bueno. All right. Listen, I don't know what to say about that. I mean, really, I to me, it's not. I don't know. I don't know if I would put that on my bike. Not the Shadow Black. I just don't know. I can't really call it. I can't really call it. I'm looking at it and I can't. It's to tell me I'm gonna go away from the Ryker style. That's changing from the whole Ryker style. Preacher is absolutely right. Preacher Ryker 1, 2, 3. Let's just keep it Ryker style. That's too busy. All right, Preacher. I mean, I get what he's saying. You bought the Ryker for the Ryker look, and now this is something different. Like, I don't know. I understand what Preacher's saying though. Anybody from South Carolina in the group, upstate South Carolina, Greenwood on the podcast. Kevin Riders, South Carolina. Kevin Ryker Riders, South Carolina. Anybody from South Carolina in the group, upstate South Carolina, Spartanburg, Greenfield, Gaffney, Anderson, Greenwood on the podcast. Who he's trying to find if there's anybody else out here from South Carolina, upstate South Carolina. So if somebody's on there, Kevin Ryker Riders with a Z, South Carolina. Let's go back to this thing here. Oh, CEO. No way. What about that Panther front end, CEO? I saw the Panther front end. I don't know what that's about either. I hit those guys up if they wanted to talk about that thing too. I didn't hear back from them. Everything's in I don't know. I hit people up if they want to talk about it. I don't want people to think I'm hitting them up because I want something for free. I just want you to come on here and talk about what you have going on for the Ryker community and get some feedback. But, I give them the opportunity to come on the show. If people are busy, they're pushing out product, they're doing work. There's nothing I can say. Oh, sorry about that. I'll put this down. There's nothing I can say about that. They come on when they're ready and they don't, right? Let's see. Then a CEO said, then they want to a mod, so that's not nice people. Okay, flipping out. Only so much we can do to differentiate from each other. Everyone won't have this. Everyone is waiting for those one pair of rims. Still will all look alike. I want to be different. Okay. There's only so much you could do to a bike, period. I mean, if you owned a motorcycle, if you buy a Ninja or a Harley, it's still a Harley, it's still a Ninja, it's still a Gixxer. Only things you could do is change up panels, so I get it. But it's still a bike. You're not going to turn it into something different. If you want a different look, then 100%. There you go. That's a totally different look. If you like the way the Ryker looked by itself, then you just stick with the Ryker. So I don't know what to tell you, but you're going to have people who buy things to be different that don't really like things that they buy. They just want to be different. I like the way the Ryker looks. Okay, Kevin, Ryker Rider, South Carolina. You got Big Papa Ryker right here, Greer, South Carolina. So Kevin was looking for somebody. Let's see. Kevin was looking for somebody. Here we go. Kevin, Ryker Rider, South Carolina, Middleton. And Big Papa said he's right here in your backyard, so hit him up. So Big Papa says, Kevin says, hey, maybe we get together for a ride. See, what I'm talking about? This show brings people who own Rykers and Spyders together. You find out that there are riders right in your neighborhood that you didn't know. I'm telling you, I've seen it happen. Every time I'm on a live, somebody meets up with somebody. Trust me, somebody does. It is just amazing how that happens. It is amazing. So let's see what we got here. All right. Listen, Big Papa, I think Big Papa, I still have your email. So Big Papa, just don't forget to email me about the pry tool. And Lewis, don't forget to email me about the mystery box, because I like to get them out on Monday and drop those off in the mail so you can get them on time. And make sure you give me your full address if you have P.O. boxes or apartments, because I don't want any of those problems of things coming back. Oh, see, look at it right here. It sounds great, man. Wife and ride all the time. Big Papa and his wife, they both have bikes. They both have the Ryker. So there you go. You got a whole crew now there, Kevin. Look at that. You met one looking for one rider. Now you got two. You got Big Papa and his wife. They ride all the time. Trust me. Okay. Big Papa, thanks for sending it. No problem. If you don't have my email, it's rollingon3wheels@gmail. Let me see if I could bring it up for you guys. Let's see if I got a banner. Do I have it? No, I don't have it. Let me see. Okay, that's me. That's how you can get me on IG. And if you type in that hashtag rolling on 3,